Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a
Halo mas bro, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya kedatangan Spion dari motor pick up carry. Dan di sini owner minta saya buat mengerjakan Kevlar dengan motif biasa. Dan nantinya kita bakal ngerjain juga buat talang air. Akan tetapi belum sempat dikirim dikarenakan barang belum ready. Jadi seperti inilah kurang lebihnya spionnya. Oke, langsung aja kita proses. Jadi kemarin sudah kita amplas dan di sini sudah saya kasih lapan buat penutup kaca spionnya. Jadi di sini langsung aja karena di sini banyak tekukan, jadi saya bikin sambungan seperti ini nantinya. Jadi langsung aja seperti biasa mas bro, kita olesin pakai resin epoksi buat
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Oke mas bro, jadi seperti ini hasil setelah kita melakukan pemasangan. Nanti tunggu sampai resin yang sebagai perekat lem kering, baru kita melakukan pemotongan di bagian sambungannya. Jadi di sini sebelum kita lakukan pengeliman atau pemotongan, alangkah baiknya sebelum kita melakukan pemotongan, kita vakum dulu sampai benar-benar lem daripada gel coat atau resin sebagai perekat itu benar-benar ngeresap di bagian kevlarnya, serat kevlarnya. Jadi biarkan lengket dulu, kita vakum dulu. Nanti ya kurang lebih 2 jam atau 3 jaman baru kita bisa beri lem G dan kemudian kita potong. Oke, jadi sekarang kita lakukan vakuman dulu. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, wanna rock star in this life, I'm living up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad.
'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, 'cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy, hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. 'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, 'cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, 'cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta start them through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. 'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Oke mas bro, jadi seperti inilah hasilnya setelah kita kemarin melakukan clear coat. Dan untuk sambungannya tidak terlihat, padahal di bagian sisi sini kita sambung kemarin, tapi tidak terlihat sama sekali. Jadi saya rasa cukup video kali ini, semoga bermanfaat. Tetap jaga kesehatan, berpikiran positif, dan sayangi keluarga. Sampai jumpa di video saya selanjutnya. Terima kasih.